kentiu ya ke jing penbi dohkha na ke jela katanat fisheries joko sarkar jela kala penlong ya ke 7th State Aqua Fest arjar arpulai ha State Central Library ha kaba ha kene kesngi lawan bansaki bari shimbenta daki district beper joko jela nangta ke State Atunis College bat kiwei haba keren ha kene kesngi na kaleng ke director jong katanat fisheries kala ong bakum kini ki jing ya kendolang kipat ba kiyo jing mentoi shibun namal kiyo jing tip kaba markeliang iwei na iwei pat kalau ongru ba menta katong kaba kilapoi kadai 100% na katong kaba kibu kata na ka laipo ar metric ton ha kasisnam kalau penrabru da kaba ong bada ka jingerap jok sarkar kilala ban poi hadu 100% bat kidon ka jingkermen bakin la ban kenjo syakatong kaba kibu na kaliang uba head ubadai menteri jong katanat fisheries habakran hakani kesngi ulaong ba kayeng kesem ka jengu kadai kayeng kesem kaba nadu basdang kidai kibati dohkha ula kenturu ekinong ri dohkha da kabaong ba da kabari dohkha kila berlek shibun ke kila ban aikam aijam ya kipat ba ulang ba kajela jungi kadon shibun kilat kelenti kadon shibun kiwa kipung hanrai na kaliang kejungi pat ngimle ai hadu menta ban kentiu ya kayo kakon ula kenturu ek samla pule ban mi syakmat ban shimenta ban sedang ya kan hekam ban yang hala kijong kijat
babi akan dolang piyo itai jing kajing yang mer jumut hapreng jong pi kinong rep pila ban supoi jing dunai kilo kibala kam roi ba kana dohkha pila ban learn nani ban logic ke ban ba jing ki te hani kai aqua fest kamot kadai kalat kalenti ban plie pi ba pindi ki dohkha ki jong pi ba ha ka jo ko poro ba nang ni labu lang ni bon kini modern technology lani ki start science thamai kumno bangin pindi dohkha ka ha ka scientific manner and scientific way te ngani scam baling ba ka jing don jong pi hang ni ba pin slor lang ki we ha ka snong thau jong pi te kin dia ko mang kran mane da ti nong we ka long ba ya ka ni ka aqua fest kila sedang menshwa kai tu ibaret bah hawa hajarsan ling bah po ka jing lam jong commissioner secretary ha ka ta ko por bade yu matrai bon na pi pe tho yu so km ko ma bala ta chaya ko is ling ba ka ni kami ka state aqua commission abang la lon so ka araja khatwai ring ba kani pada ya kani ka program kila akan thop be ha mission jongi nambar bagi i banding ba kini ki aqua fest bunsin ka kentoi ka tada jing ka tik ka jing mo jing par khat je ki nong re dohkha jingi kumno ba kin le ba kin kam pen he pen san ki dohkha ki nang yo shu ki tip mano snem na ko wai ki nang kam pen roi ki tip jing nang jing start jingi no wai snem sa ki wai pan te kumba ka burom ka ni shapi ki nong re ke ba ngala ban smo sarong kum director kum jingi ba ko kum secretary ba de administrator ka jingi kadena ka benta ka jong pi ba jing trash jong pi ki nong ret dohkha mangilala ban poi 100% na ka target jingi kamot mata ngidang la ban poi ado khandai hajar tam ya ka metric ton ya ka jingi dohkha kari ka jong ka target gujungi kalong kadai laipo arajan metric ton ka kum ka projected population ka kum ru ka ta jing kain jong kani ka national nutrition institute kadai laipo arajan metric ton te habangaya diam kadai bele ka jing trish tom jong pi bendang de jing tom jong pi minum lai re bangin poi tanga kani ka 100% shwa bangin yo ka history ka jing kain statistics hadu arajan khatwei kujing ni dohkha kari jongi kalong tam kumba sawajar metric ton tam teleng ba kujing garap jong sarkar kami ka sarkar jela baru kujing natre jong pi borong lala ban company yang tak 100% hoi ni dang don ka gyat kujing duna jongi bakalenti jongi do kadang banginang yai ni dang don akalenti yai jongi dong poi sakatong jongi bangin pimbiang kita ki dohkha ki do ki do wa hakari la jong te itai dei we kalong sha ka so sarong mamta jong pi ni kung department habang ni sarong gamot ni sarong mamta ke jing trash jong pi kinong rep jong ni dohkha ko man ong man na manidon man ta ko bla apa sen ka lain kamri dohkha ya aquaculture aquaculture ke bla apa se kani nam ta ko no ban ya kini ke jingri dohkha hatur kom start science ka ba mata ti ko long ka kabu kesiar yang ni ro ba kadang ke St. Anthony's College ka ba permi ya kini ki students la ni ki kena pli ban pedit ha ka kamri dohkha ti ki bon na ki nilai kan do ten ni kiro ba kini ki dang bon ni kena bla apa se kani te lada kini ki kena kumbang la don ini small meeting mana kani unyo banai ya ki banga ya weri ki bakin wan shakman nama nang ba ka jing start jong ki jong ki ba pla yo ro pa ni te professor segi scientist pla yo ya kani kena ba ni training ka ba pi ba omde tang ban penroi ya ka jing mi dohkha ka ri jangi Henry ru ba penlong ka ki fishpreneurs ba pra ban kentio ya ka yo karoi ke jongpi ye ka kam ka jam ka jongpi nama pun balong mentang ni mala ban am tang kam sorka ko balong hi shabari pin ye i shabar jong ka tala jani ki baru spa ba ki de ki nong ri dohkha te na shimbu kane ka ko siar khande ba ka long shisha ka bo ka jani men ka nang pakhat balai na kham long kham extend ye ke invitation ka jongi Syakini ki nong kai rabba jong ki dohkha ki banaba bakin join lang hangne tengi dan bok hangne bai don lo I MDC jong kalaban ibadai ro itai fish a very big fish bringer over state bai don hangne ba ye yo were ke jumbo jimpar kha jum phi ba na ka banta ka jumbo jong ka state ka jong ni kham kam ni ki nong re dohkha jini bani ne trailang kumo ba.
This event will help all of us in understanding what has been done and what lies ahead and how best we can converge our ideas and efforts to ensure that as a state we are self-sufficient in terms of production. As we all have heard from the director that though we have a fourfold increase in terms of production, fish production in the state, which is an achievement in itself. But we have a long way to go in terms of self-sufficiency for not only for fish production, but various other inputs that are required for fish production, be it fish feed, be it the other raw materials which are required, and training our farmers in terms of modern practices and understanding the challenges of entire supply chain of fishes and value addition of fishes, so that the ultimate objective of achieving nutritional security in our state, at the same time bringing in more income to our fish farmers, which is our overall objective of having all these programs, can be achieved in long run. So I hope that this Aqua Fest will achieve its objective of sharing these ideas, sharing our knowledge and experience, and paving a way for future. And I would once again like to thank all our partners who have participated from not only from different districts but different agencies from Government of India or from other private entrepreneurs who are participating in this event, for their participation, which in itself will bring in lot of enrichment of experience for all our farmers who are participating, not only for our farmers but all our officers who are participating in this event. With this, I would like to once again thank entire
the fish wholesaler, the retailer, the fish buyers, all are present here today to celebrate this Aqua Fest. I am very proud at this moment. You know why? I also came from the fish family. I grew up in the fish family. My mom selling fish she was a street vendor when she was alive. And how we grew up through the selling of fish. You not believe till today. I have been MLA for last continuously. I am going to be complete 30 years, winning for 6 consecutive terms. But my elder sister, my own elder sister, still she was selling fish as a street vendor. She was a street vendor, but now after I've constructed a beautiful mall and the hawkers market where we have accommodated all the street vendors in the hawkers market. Still now she is selling fish in the hawker markets. She is having 7 siblings, but well, all of them are giving a best educations. Even if some of the siblings also been educated from abroad by selling fish only. So we should think this is a big source of income. If we are really have a self-awareness, create our own awareness, how to create the source of income through the fish farming. The fish seller, the fish farmer, they can do so many things. We have a lot of the area expansions. There are a lot of lands to grow for the farming. We should only take the opportunity and also the help from the government. As a Green Youth Revolution, we have 2 role models here. Bob Lasting Latham from Jaja Hills and Singrang Sangma from the North Garo Hills. They are the role model by creating their own source of income, thereby making the fish farming. And also not only that, this is not end only for the source of income. They are also creating job for the other people to start working under their employability, giving job, creating job for the others also. So making income for the others also. So that way only, I'm not talking only just 2 role models, we have so many role models in the state of Meghalaya. From Garo Hills, from Jaja Hills, we have huge potentiality. But still now we have not tapped the potentiality. Still we have so many land, the area expansion. We have the lake, we have the river, we can integrate it, our lake, our river with the tourism. You know, I'm telling you, many people will not understand this. If we talk about the lake, we talk about the river, we talk about the water, there's a therapy. When we see the fishes in the river, the lake, everywhere, we see, and we go, sometimes I have my beautiful lake in my resort also. But it will be to be inaugurated or start functioning, make it operational from this year, December. People are coming now also. When they are coming to my lake, Mebai lake, they are bringing the gram, they are bringing the muri, they are bringing the chana, they are in the mine because they have the therapy that like. So that we have so many things. In fish farming, I'm telling you, we have still plenty to create employability, create employment, give job to everyone. Not only yourself, you will be an employer to create more employees for the others also. So I only appeal, we have the scheme like the Green Revolution before, now we have the MSOM, the Meghalaya Mission Scheme, where we can give you the help, we can create you, can motivate you, can support you through the subsidy, through the buying loan, but the other source, there's a lot of things to do in the state of Meghalaya. People are saying, I saw now there's some directors saying the students from the BSc Pisciculture also they are here. I invite them also, create the society, do it individually. So many huge potentiality were still available for the people of Meghalaya to make their own income, stand on your own feet, be self-esteemed by working by yourself. So I'm really thankful to all the farmers today who are present here. I hope that we are not self-sufficient state. Still we have to depend the fish coming from outside. Coming from Andhra Pradesh, from Mani Singh, from Punjab, from Mani Singh, from Karnataka. It took days together to get the fish here. That also is not a fresh fish. The local fish, why it is little, we cannot regulate the market. Regulating the market is because, of course, we don't have the organized market of the fish market in Meghalaya, but we are going to start to regulate the market where the market and the price will be equal with the fish coming from outside. At least our own farmers also, they can stand and they will be proud and stand in their own feet. So therefore, I appeal to all of you. Those are educated and not educated. Of course, we have the modern technology, but we cannot forget the traditional technology, where from generation to generation, how they have started their own family, has started their own feet to support the family through this fish farming. So therefore, we have a lot of scope, we have a lot of potentiality. We welcome all of you. We have a river where we can integrate our river. So many rivers also already been integrated into tourism. Many people will come to your farm, to your farming. They will come and have and enjoy. I've been traveling to Vietnam, I'm traveling to Phuket, and I'm traveling to Thailand. People are from the fish pond directly to the fry pond. They are eating the fried fish. The fish is the only one product, the eatable item where there is no restriction. If we talk about vegetarian, they also eat fish. We talk the non-vegetarian, they also eat fish. We talk about the religion, they also eat fish. We talk about the no-religion, they also eat fish. They are the only product we can sell universally. Anyone can enjoy the fish, since it is also the best food and the best product, which a lot of proteins are there. So therefore, I request all of you, we should encourage everybody, the government, the doors is open, to help you, to support you, to motivate you, to give you the modern technology, to give you the traditional technology, to converge together to ensure that the productivity from now the stilted state will become the or not only self-sufficient, that also we can supply to the other state. Thank you very much.